GoHighLevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to show you how you're going to create the best logos for your website, exactly where to go and all of that sort of things, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, let's say we've got a website template here. Let's get this one right here. Okay, so you can see here it says logo here. Now, the best place to go for a logo, and there's something you got to do. Your logo has to be a transparent background, okay? Because you can tell here, the background in the website can be whatever you want, and you want your logo to be transparent. So how do we do that? So go to Canva, and you're gonna need to create the 2-week or whatever free trial for Canva to get the transparent background. So get the free trial and you can cancel it after, but you need to do that. So go Canva and then press logo. Okay, let's pretend you have this is a boxing business, okay? So type in the design section whatever you want and scroll through and find anyone that you like. I should kind of like this one, I can't lie. And then let's say our name, maybe Jaze boxing, and then started in 18 whatever, okay? And I can make this a little bigger. What I can also do is find anything from here that I like for example this logo here, I may like this crown. So what I can do is copy it and paste it in R1 and make it look a bit more unique. Maybe put this down a little. Okay, so something like that. You can mix and match the different things and make your own logo. Now once you've done that, go to share, go to download, make sure it's PNG and press this transparent background option there, then press download. Okay, then once you go back onto GoHighLevel and press that orange box, scroll down, and then it says brand logo. Now upload that logo. Then here we are. Here's our logo right here, and we can change the height of it, like 150 maybe, may work, or whatever we want. If we just downloaded it normally without transparent background, here's what it will look like. It will look like that with the background, and it doesn't look right. So you need to make sure it's a transparent background for your clients. You're going to use Canva quite a bit. If you want one-on-one mentoring with GoHighLevel, sign up through GoHighLevel through my link in the description. You get one-on-one mentoring, all these benefits here. You should sign up to get all those benefits. And if you already have an affiliate, no problem, you still can join. Just drop me a message and I get you, and we can get that sorted. So that's how we can create the best logos for GoHighLevel websites. Please like the video, it helps me out, and yeah, thank you.